Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, a little bit of lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe, girl. Like, stop playing. Hey guys, so we have a hair video. I haven't done a hair video in a while. So I purchased this hair. It's by a company called Isee hair, but I purchased it from their Amazon store because, of course, the Prime. We all like our anything that we order online, we want it literally like microwave fast. So of course I went through Amazon instead of going to their direct site, and this is the hair that I have in now. It's called the texture is Kinky Curly, and I have this in 22-inch, 20, as well as the 18, and it's sewed in, and I love the texture of it because it is a natural texture. Like I mentioned to you guys before, I've been trying to do styles where I don't have to manipulate the natural texture of my hair, so I've been doing a lot of plaits and braids, and I got a little tired of that. So I got my hair curly recently. Recently I went to Georgia and I saw my sister with some curly hair, and I just want to be like my sister so bad. I was like, girl, I'm gonna get some curly hair when I go home, and that I did. Are you mad? So before we go in and wet it up and do all that stuff to it, this is what the hair looks like just worn over a course of maybe 2 days. I haven't done anything to it. I just had it in like a ponytail. So these are the ends of the hair. The ends are a little dry to me. I wish the ends were fuller, but they're a little straggly, if you know what I mean. But I'm gonna put my products in it and we're gonna work this thing out. This hair is affordable hair. It's not gonna be like top notch because I didn't pay top notch money for it. I mean, I bought it on Amazon for one, so I don't expect it to be, you know, that fantastic. So it works. I would consider this mediocre hair. It looks pretty, you know, you can wear it for a while, you know, and I'm fine with that. And I know how to manipulate it and make it work. So let's go ahead and define it. But it looks pretty like this though. It looks pretty big, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the products that I use to define. Actually, I have something new that I want to try on camera and see how it works in this hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. But it's giving diva, okay? It's giving big diva. All right, so I'm in just a little bit closer. So the first thing we're going to start with curly hair period, you're going to have a spray bottle with some water and conditioner. This bottle is not what's the label says. It's not what's actually in it. I have in water, I would say 80% water, as well as a leave-in conditioner that is by this brand, Mielle. let me grab. Okay, so I have about 80% water, and then I have this leave-in conditioner that's in it, and it's by Mielle. It smells so good, so I like to use it. So that's what's in my concoction. Okay, so this is what we're gonna wet the hair, saturate it with, and then I have another product that I want to try. I've never used it. I just recently purchased it from Ulta. You're gonna see it in the Ulta haul in another video. So yeah, I'll let you know how it works out. Well, you'll see how it works out here on camera. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, girl. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this in the hair. Just saturate it a lot.
Really, no, this is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I could spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in. What's happening? It's just me, my guys.
Alright, so I just stood up for a second so you can see the curls and the way they look in comparison. I mean, when they're wet in comparison to when the curl is dry. This texture is so natural, so nice, so pretty. Okay, so these are the curls. So this would match, if you have coarse kinky hair, this would definitely, I mean, it's called Kinky Curly, so it would certainly match your texture. So this is it wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side.
Never acting, always acting. Back in 2010, we all sipping activists. Now these beats are taking damage like my kidneys is. Already got the crib, I think it's time to flood my wrist. But gets along her neck, I just iced down my chick. It's not what you know, but what you do with it. I do it the best, don't care if you did it. Stayed down till I came up, now I'm too in it. Money in my sleep, I'm a true business. I need a Louis bag for all this cash or something.
Alright y'all, so this is the hair wet. I didn't completely like drench it, but it is pretty wet, and you can see that it still looks very kinky. It just looks big and just so pretty. I just love this texture, is so pretty. But this is the curls here, so you can see how nicely coiled it is. I really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put something else in it. I don't want to wet it too much because I am going to put some more products in it. So let's go ahead and grab that. Okay, now this is something that I purchased from Ulta. It's by Shea Moisture. I've never tried this. I figured this would be good for this hair as well as my natural hair, just to help it kind of curl up with it. So this is a product that I decided to get. The reviews are really good. It's called the Hydrate and Repair Whip Curl Cream. And in the description of it, it does say that it helps define curls. You just go ahead and open it. Tear this off. So when you tear the seal off, this is what it looks like inside. So it looks like yogurt. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time because I don't know if it's gonna leave a residue, although the reviews didn't say that it did. So I'm just gonna take some out and start combing it through the hair, or saturating it through the hair and scrunching it up scrunching the hair as I put in this product, so we can go ahead and define the curls. It smells so good. Ooh.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching.
Okay guys, so this is what the curls look like so far. I'm going to come back on camera after it dries just a little bit more. It doesn't feel like it's going to take a long time to dry, but I do want it to dry just a little bit more so you guys can see. But the curls look so pretty. Like, look at this. So pretty, and the hair feels so soft. And it smells so good. Girl, but I'm gonna come back after it dries just a little bit, okay? Ooh, I love this, but I'll be right back. All right, kitty, so I'm back. The hair dried a bit and it looks so pretty. It's such like a soft, like flowy, like I like that curl cream. That was good, but it smells so damn good. But this is the hair. You can see how pretty the curls are. When you have the right products, it just works. It has a body. It's just really pretty. I have it. I think I should do a little flip over moment because I think that looks good on me. So let's go ahead and flip that thing. Okay. It's so, like, look how much more defined the curls are. You guys remember what it was looking like at the beginning? The ends were a little bit dry, just looking not it. But now, like, look at this. Look at this. This texture is so pretty. I absolutely love this. Okay, how my edges looking? Should I put a little bit of edge control or does it look fine? Let me just do some. Let me do like a little something for the video. I'm gonna pull out my favorite edge control. It's the only one that I always go back to. You can get it on Amazon. It is this one. I have the big one here. This is the family size, the Ebin New York, the 24-hour edge tamer. So this is what I always use. It works for me. Let me show you inside. All right, so you can see I really get it in. Okay, I really get this in. It does ponytail so nice. I really love it. Let me just scoot in so you guys can see. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my edges. Nothing too crazy, okay? So just a little something to make my edges look as glossy and as nourished as the freaking hair. It looks so good. I love that curl cream or pudding or whatever it was. I even put a little bit on my little sideburn here. A lot of times I like to just twirl it so it can just look curly like the rest of the hair. All right, let's put some here. Let's cover up that little gray part. It don't matter because I'm still, even with the gray hair, I'm still cute. It doesn't even matter. Let the gray hang out. Nobody cares. Alright, so that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do too much of that because I really don't like all that fancy stuff when it comes to the baby hairs. I just want it to look effortless and not like I'm doing the most. Alright, so what y'all think? These curls are so pretty. I just love this, and I love the fact that I don't have to manipulate my hair. I don't have to flat iron anything. I can just put some curl cream, some gel, something just to make it look, you know, curly like the rest of the hair. But it's low maintenance. It's not low maintenance because curly hair is, you know, you gotta put all that stuff in it and make it curly. But what you have to do to your natural hair is very minimal. If you have naturally kinky, curly, coarse hair, you don't have to do all that heat and all that manipulation. You can just let your hair kind of be, okay? So that's what I like about it, and it looks so pretty. This is the perfect summer hairstyle. I think I want to try this, like lighten it a little bit, like maybe blonde or like an ashy blonde, like highlights, and like a warm brown. I think that might look really good on me. I'm gonna think about that. My husband asked me about that the other day, like, when you gonna put some color? So I'm guessing, you know, I might have to do that soon, child. Amazon got me right. I'm going to link everything that I used below. I'll link the hair, of course, I got on Amazon. I'll link the edge control and definitely that curl cream because I'm going to use that on my natural hair as well as the extensions. So yeah, that smells so good. Somebody just walking by you and getting a whiff of your hair alone, that scent and that curl cream is so good, y'all. Man, let me reapply some let's talk about my lip combo. I have this gloss on. I was going to put it on again, but I do have on a lip liner by Sugar Scoop Beauty, which is my small business. Y'all already know Sugar Scoop Beauty. This is chocolate strawberry, and I also have on by Juvia's Place toffee lipstick, and I have on Sugar Scoop Beauty Bare lip gloss. I'm just going to reapply a little bit of the gloss. I think I'm going to do another video after this, actually. This is such a perfect mood. I feel cute, child. I feel cute. But let me know what you guys think about this hair. Like I said, if you're interested in it, I'll have everything linked below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See me outside for the summer with my summer hair, okay? Okay, I might lighten this though, so stay tuned for that. I might go ahead and lighten it. I don't know if it's going to be these exact bundles or I might get new ones that I can have that are colored, or I don't know. But I think lightening this would be a great idea. It'll give me a new little, you know, look. But this is so pretty. Oh my god, let me go guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.